Welcome! In front of me I have little Tikes Tobi smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the home button. Now we need to press a home button a couple of times until we find the menu, basically. So let's press the home button. And here we have the menu. Once you open the menu, swipe left on the screen and tap on the settings icon. Here tap on this icon. And here swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the options. Find the time format option, this one. And to change the time format, simply tap the check mark next to the one you want to use. We have 12 hours format and 24 hours format. I'm gonna select 24 hours. Then you can press the home button a couple of times to go back to watch screen mode or robot mode, depends what you like to leave the watch on. And that's basically how you change the time format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.